Hello and welcome to my channel Samadhan by Mrinali Gupta. In today's video, I am going to share with you some switch words which will be helpful for you all who are seeking some job. This is a requested video. Many of my viewers, they requested me that, ma'am, you put so many switch words for students and exams. Please give us a switch word for job also. So this all is dedicated to all of you who are seeking for some job or who want to apply for new jobs. Before giving you the switch words, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get timely notification. The first switch word is bring perfect jackpot job with divine magic now. Now the word job will be replaced by the job or the position you are seeking for. I will repeat the switch word. Bring perfect jackpot job with divine magic now. In place of job, you have to write the name of the position you are seeking for. Second switch word is together find divine job count now. Together find divine job count now. Again, the word job would be replaced by the position you want to seek or you are applying for. Third switch word is create, bring, perfect, charm, job, reach, now, done with gratitude. Create, bring, perfect, job, reach, now, done with gratitude. Now what you have to do is you have to write these switch words or any of the switch word which resonate with you the most with green colored pen. Write it on a piece of paper for at least 28 times. You do it once or you can every day write it 28 times, any time of the day, and keep on reciting it or chanting it for as many times as you can. The more the better. When you're chanting this, you have to keep faith or believe that you have already been selected for that job or you have got that job. Have that faith in your mind and then chant it. But once in a day, do write it down 28 times on a piece of paper. Another switch phrase is divine, together, reach, perfect, count, job, now. I will repeat it. Divine, together, reach, perfect, count, job, now. Another way of chanting this switch word is you do this mudra. This mudra is called movement mudra. Okay, this mudra is called movement mudra. Bring this mudra, like join your hands like this. Take deep breath. Keep them on your knees and then take another deep breath and start chanting the switch word. This will help you to concentrate and this will make your subconscious mind believe that you have already got this job and the universal energies would work better. So you have to at least chant this switch word around 15 to 20 times daily with this mudra. The tips of your forefinger, middle finger and thumb are joined together. The fingers are like this. And this is how you will chant this. Now, if you have applied for many jobs or many times or due to some reasons you could not get selected or you were not shortlisted and you are fed up of giving interviews. Again, this is one of the most effective switch phrases, and it has I have received miraculous results out of this. Whomsoever I have given, they have succeeded in getting job. Okay, again, this you have to do with this movement mudra. Okay, and at least 15 to 20 times a day, or at least say 15 minutes daily. Okay, the switch word with this mudra and little deep breathing. Now I'll give you the switch word, that is move on, find, divine, count, job, now, done. I will repeat, move on, find, divine, count, job, now, done. Move on, find, divine, count, job, now, done. The word job would again be replaced by the position you have applied for. Okay. Another way is, before starting to chant the switch phrase, just remember and pray to that divine energy. It can be your Isht, it can be your God, your deity, whomsoever you follow or you believe in. It can be your ancestors, it can be your spirit guides, it can be your parents, whomsoever you believe. Okay, start by invoking their energies, and by this I mean, you just pray, like you pray to God, you will just pray to that person, my grandfather or my father or my mother, please help me in getting this job. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just pray to them like you pray to God, or you can just start by Guru Nanak ji, help me in seeking this job, or Jesus Christ, help me in getting this job, or Ganpati ji, help me in getting this job, like this. And you chant this switch word, find, divine, order, count, job, now, done. I will repeat it again. Find, divine, order, count, job, now, done. Find, divine, order, count, job, now, done. So these are few of the switch words which will help you in getting the job. When you get the job, when you get your desired job, don't forget to come back to this video and write below in the comment box that which switch word helped you in getting your desired job. Also share it with your family and friends. And always remember, God only helps those who help themselves. So whenever you are chanting this switch phrases, have full faith in your divine energies. Moreover, have full faith on yourself that yes, you will get this job definitely. And then see how the divine energies also help with you. Lots of gratitude for joining me and watching this video today. Till we meet next time in our next video, take care. Namaste.